Hi everyone, I'm Maheshri from ClearTax and today I'm going to talk about FSSAI registration, that is FSSAI registration. FSSAI stands for Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, which is an organization that monitors and governs the food business in India. FSSAI has been established under the Food Safety and Standards Act 2006 for food safety and regulation in India. It ensures the food products undergo quality checks, thereby curtailing the food adulteration and sale of substandard products, and provides for registering and licensing of the food business operators in India. Every food business operator involved in manufacturing, processing, storage, distribution and sale of food products must compulsorily obtain a FSSAI registration or license. It is a 14-digit registration or license number which is printed on all the food packages. The 14-digit registration number gives the details about the assembling state, producer's permit, and it is aimed to create more accountability on the food business operators to maintain the quality of the food products. The FSSAI registration is different from FSSAI license, and food business operators should obtain the necessary registration or license according to their capacity or turnover. FSSAI registration is a basic registration required for all the food business operators involved in the small-scale food business. They cover any food business operators with an annual turnover of not more than 12 lakh and whose food production capacity is up to 100 kgs per day. Any person who manufactures or sells any food article by himself or food sale is done by the temporary stallholder should apply for FSSAI registration. FSSAI license can be classified into two categories, that is state FSSAI license and central FSSAI license, based on the size of the business, whether it is a medium scale or large scale business. All food business operators apart from small scale business should apply for FSSAI license. Food business operators with small to medium size manufacturing units, transporters, marketers, traders, etc. need to take FSSAI license from the state government. 3-star hotels and above, repackers, relabeling units, clubs, caterings, all catering business irrespective of their turnover need to apply for state license. Food business operators having a turnover between rupees 12 lakhs to 20 crore need to apply for state license. Food business operators who are large-scale manufacturers, importers, exporters, dealing in large-scale food business need to obtain FSSAI registration from central government. Food business operators having a turnover exceeding rupees 20 crores and having operations in 2 or more states need to apply for the central license. Maximum tenure of the FSSAI license is 5 years and the minimum is 1 year. The procedure for FSSAI registration is to first submit Form A or Form B application to the Food and Safety Department. Form A in case of FSSAI registration and Form B in case of state or central license. This application can be accepted or it may be rejected by the department within 7 days from the date of receipt of the application. If the application is accepted, then the department will grant a registration certificate with the registration number and the photo of the applicant. The common documents required for basic state and central registration are passport photo and a photo ID proof. For state and central license, the following additional documents will be needed: a completed and signed Form B, address proof, list of food category and products, layout plan of the proposed location, list of equipment, NOC from the municipality, incorporation certificate, list of directors or partners, MOA and AOA, water test report, import-export code. Visit our detailed page on this for more information. You can find the link to the page in the description below. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment. And do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification every time we upload a new video. Stay tuned for more updates.